Hello everyone, this is Wency from Outgang Machinery. Now let's learn about uncoiler. Uncoiler is the first and important part in the production line. Its main function is to provide raw material for the line. There are two working positions, one for running and the other one preparing. When the coil in the working side is used up, the uncoiler will rotate 180 degrees to ensure production. We use advanced technology. All operations can be achieved by pressing buttons. For example, expansion mandrel, rotation, pressing arm, blocking arm, and locating can all be achieved by pressing buttons. This is one side of the hydraulic expansion mandrel. Each side can bear 3 tons of coil. This is the wedge block system to ensure stable running and machine strength. The application of subplate can satisfy 2 coil ID, 508 and 610. A U-guide is applied in the backboard. The function is to facilitate loading of the coil. The crane hook can be removed easily. Pressing arm avoid coil from losing while running. Blocking arm avoid coil from side turning while working. Now let's come to rotation. The rotation is controlled by hydraulic motor and characterized by stable running. When it is at the required position, a locating pin will come into effect to avoid the mandrel from moving. Hydraulic station. An air cooling device is applied to release the heat produced while running and ensure the production of the hydraulic station. Pressure accumulator contain pressure produced by the hydraulic station and ensure stable pressure output. That's all for our uncoiler. Any issue, just email or call us. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.